Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to have ChatGPT generate a creative story that's bound to spark your imagination. So let's dive right into the world of storytelling with ChatGPT. To get started, simply provide ChatGPT with a basic idea or theme for your story. It could be something as simple as a lost treasure or an enchanted forest. All you have to do is to type in create a story for me and then write what's the topic all about. So I like horror stories, so let's ask ChatGPT to create a horror story for us. So think of ChatGPT as your creative companion. So you can feel free to ask questions or provide details and shape the direction of the story with your input. So as you can see, ChatGPT takes your cues and weaves a story before your eyes. It will introduce characters, build a plot, and even craft engaging dialogues, all based on your guidance. So let's ask ChatGPT to make the ending shocking, more shocking. So he will then edit the story for you. So once the story is generated, it's time to put your personal touch on it. Edit, modify, and polish the narrative to make it uniquely yours. You have the creative control to make the story shine. And there you have it. You've learned how to use ChatGPT to create a captivating story. It's like having a storytelling partner that brings your ideas to life. With this newfound skill, the possibilities are endless. From the fantastical adventures to heartwarming tales, ChatGPT is your tool to explore the realms of creativity. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Now you're equipped to embark on countless storytelling adventures with ChatGPT. Remember, every story you create is a piece of your imagination shared with the world. Keep dreaming, keep writing, and keep embracing the magic of storytelling. Until next time, happy writing and see you in the next video.